Hi everybody, it's Haneke here, and today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to outline text. Now here's one I prepared earlier, how to outline text, and we're going to learn how to do this. So let's get started. I'm starting with a blank canvas. The size is 1280 by 720, which is the same size as a YouTube thumbnail. So let's go to the text tool. I'm going to use the font Badaboom BB at size 130, center justified, and I've made some presets here, which is -20 for the line spacing and 6 for the kerning. Let's just type some text in capitals. Whoops. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is make this one 170. So we have 130, 170, 130. Now I'm going to put all of it in bold. I'm going to clip it to my lines that I've put over here. And now I'm going to change the color to this yellow color. Now let's apply the outline. Go to Filters, Light and Shadow, Drop Shadow. Now we're not going to use the drop shadow as a drop shadow, we're going to turn it into an outline. So we're going to change the vertical and horizontal shadow offset to 0. We're going to change the blur radius to 0. We're going to change the opacity to 2, which is the maximum in this case. We're going to change the glow radius to 17. We might make it 18. Just to fill in the little dot. There's another dot there, but I don't want to make the line too thick. Well, let's find out. Okay, so what I've tried to do here is get rid of all the little dots in between the words. There's a big one there, but we're not going to move that one. Okay, so now we're going to add a rotate to it. I'm going to say -5. Rotate. Now just check it's still on our guideline. Yep. Turn those lines off. That looks pretty good to me. Pretty easy to put a nice looking outline on your text. So that is how to outline text using GIMP. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. This is Haneke signing out. See you later.